Today I am going to teach the topic expansion, in which we will discuss about the algebraic identities. You have already studied about it in class 8th. This is the part of the mathematics syllabus in class 9th ICSE board. So let us start the chapter expansion. In expansion we will study about some algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. So first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. How we will apply this identity in the problem? So let us see one example. Suppose we have to expand 2x plus 5y whole square. There are two terms. First term is 2x, second term is 5y. If we compare from this identity, we get that what is a here? A is 2x and b is 5y. So in the right side we will put the value of a 2x and value of b 5y. So right here 2x whole square plus 5y whole square plus 2. A is 2x and b is 5y. Put here 5y. Simplify it. 2 square is 4. X square plus 5 square is 25. Y square plus 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20, and x into y, xy. So this is the expansion of this question, 2x plus 5y whole square. So is it clear? See one more example. Two x minus 1 plus 2, 1 by 2x whole square. We see that what is a here? A is 2x and b is 1 by 2x. Whole 1 by 2x is b. So put here in place of a 2x whole square plus b square means 1 by 2x whole square plus 2 into a is 2x into b and b is 1 by 2x. We can cancel this 2x with 2x and take the square of this 4x square. 1 square is 1 and 2x whole square is 4x square plus 2x cancels, so only 2 is remaining here. This is our answer. So it is the application of the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we will see the next identity, second identity. So see the second identity. In second identity we will take a minus b whole square. It is a minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let us see some example based on this identity. 3x minus 1 by 2y whole square. So what is in place of a? 3x. What is b here? It is b, 1 by 2y. So put value of a 3x and value of b 1 by 2y on the right side. So 3x whole square, b square means 1 upon 2y whole square minus 2, a is 3x, so write here 3x into b is 1 by 2y, write here 1 by 2y. So 3 square is 9, x square plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and y square is y square. Here 2 cancel with 2, we will get minus 3x upon y. This is the expansion of 3x minus 1 by 2y whole square using this identity, second identity. So many questions are given in the exercise. You can apply these two identities to solve those questions. Here we see that what is a? A is here 3x and b is what? 1 by 2y. A is 3x and b is 1 by 2y. So we will put here a is 3x and b is 1 by 2y. So I think it is clear. Now we will discuss the third identity. Now discuss the third identity. X plus a in one bracket into x plus b in other bracket. We have to multiply these two brackets. Without actual multiplication, we have to write the result. So what is the result of this identity? X square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. See one example based on this identity. Suppose z plus 5 into z plus 3. We have to find the product of these two brackets without actual multiplication. So we will apply this identity here. If we compare from x plus a into x plus b, we get what is in place of x? Z. What is in place of a? 5. This is a. What is in place of b? 3. In place of x? Z. So here x is z, a is 5 and b is equal to 3. We will put the value of x z, a is 5 and b is 3 in the right side. So x is z, right here z square plus a is 5 plus b is 3, put here 3, multiplied by, in place of x we have to write z here. So it is z plus a into b. A is 5, put 5, b is 3, 3. Now simplify it. Z square, 5 plus 3, 8. So it is 8z plus 5 into 3, 15. This is the final product of z plus 5 into z plus 3. Here we will take the values of a and b with sign. Here value of a is plus 5, value of b is plus 3. If minus 5 is there, we will write a is equal to minus 5. If minus 3 is written here, we will write b is equal to minus 3. So in this identity, we have to consider the value of a and b with sign. See one more example. Suppose 2y minus 3, 2y plus 7. We have to find this product. Again we will apply this identity. So what is in place of x? 2y. X is 2y here. What is a? A is minus 3. Again x is 2y. And what is b? 7. B is equal to plus 7. It is not minus. So we will take the values of a and b with sign. So value of a is minus 3. Value of b is plus 7. Put it this side. What is x? X is 2y. 2y is written here. So we will write 2y square plus a plus b. A is minus 3. B is plus 7. Write here 7. In place of x, what is x? X is 2y. So write here 2y plus a into b. So minus 3 multiplied by 7. So this is the application of this identity. Now we have to simplify it. So 2y whole square, it is 4y square plus minus 3 plus 7. When we will simplify it, we will get plus 4. Plus 4 into plus, again plus. So it is plus 4. Outside 2y is there. And plus into minus, minus 3 into 7, 21. 4y square, 4 into 2, 8y minus 21. This is the final answer of this product. So I think you understood it. If you have any doubt in this video, you can ask your question in the comment. I will reply in the next video.